my first YouTube, before I upload my first video, I thought I know it all, that I am good to go. Like, but there are 8 powerful lessons that I wish that I know before starting this YouTube channel. See, whether you are stuck or you are just starting, this video will save you a lot of time, even stress or overthinking about your channel. So I am Francisca. If it is type of day you love to watch, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, okay? Now, I'm going to share with you the 8 powerful lessons that I wish that I know before starting a YouTube channel. Trust me, you are going to love it, okay? Number one lesson is that perfection is the enemy of progress. See, if you are waiting for when you will be perfect in your editing, the way you present your video and the rest of them, you are not going to start anything. Seriously, you're not going to start anything. Now, start now. If you want to start uploading video here now, start now. Start messy, okay? Start messy. Even if your number one video is your first video, have to be your worst video, like both audio and the rest of them. Do you understand? Even if you have the microphone, the recorder to record your video, it's your first time, it's your first upload. You must have some mistake that you made, okay? So now, to avoid delay and the rest of them, or constant practice, do something, okay? Upload a video, then watch other people that is in your niche, the way they present their video, and apply it in your own, okay? So your first video have to be your worst video. Now, to solve the problem, don't wait for perfection, okay? Start now. Then the more you grow and learn, the more you improve in your video, okay? So don't wait for when you will speak the highest English, or when you will give the highest presentation. You are not going to do anything, okay? Start now. Do something. Keep on practicing and keep on learning and keep on applying, okay? So that is number one lesson that I learned. If not, I suppose I've already uploaded my first video for long, but I want everything to be perfect. That is what is still holding me back for me to start my first video, okay? So perfection is the enemy of progress. If you want to do something, start it immediately. Don't think that I learned in a hard way is that niching down niching down is the best, okay? Niching down is not it's not limiting you to anything, okay? Rather, it will help you to grow more, okay? That in one of my vlog channel there, I was doing a day in my life. I was teaching about how to use I was teaching about how to make use of some natural remedies, okay? So I was doing all sorts of things, do you understand, which stopped my channel, okay, from growth. Now, my advice for you is that if you start a YouTube channel, have a particular niche that you want to treat, okay? Had it been that I focus on vlog alone, a day in my life vlog, it will be perfect, okay? But in that video, I was doing all sorts of things. At the end of everything, I didn't have views the way it's supposed to be, okay? So the video stuck there. Do you understand? But once you niche down, your video will be clear and the algorithm will understand who your video is meant for, the audience that your video is meant for, and push your content to them, okay? But if you didn't niche down, you are not going to grow faster. That is, you will remain stagnant. Do you understand? Because you have different audience. Even if you have safe, you have different audience. You even have more subscribers. Okay, you have more subscribers, but when you upload your video, they will not engage. That is it. It's as simple as that. They will not engage because that is not what they to your channel for. Okay, but if you base on one particular thing, once you upload your video, you will see the views there. Okay, but if you didn't niche down, you have plenty subscribers but you have low views. So now niche down because algorithm reward clarity. It's as simple. My third lesson is that algorithm love watch time. If people are not engaging in your video, the YouTube are not going is not going to push your content. It's as simple as that. So now YouTube love watch time. It is not even all about creating a content. It's not only about creating and uploading and getting views. It is how people engage in that your video. If people are not engaging your video, YouTube is not going to push your content. It will remain stagnant. It will remain a line there. So now I will advise you to engage your audience, hook your audience. Use the 5 seconds of your video to hook your audience. Not even 15 seconds of your video. Make sure you use it to hook your audience so that they will be able to watch your video longer. And remember, once your audience watch your video longer, YouTube will see it as a good video and push it to a wider audience. But once people click and watch a seconds, 1 seconds, a minute, a seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and click off, it shows that your video is not a good one. Then it will remain stagnant. Okay. Now my fourth lesson is that thumbnail and title matters a lot in your video. You see, thumbnail and title, they matters a lot in your video. Before, I was thinking that once you finish creating your content, you have to upload whatever you feel like uploading, any type of thumbnail, or you can just give any type of title that you feel like giving. Is a no, is a no, 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 no. It's a big mistake. Don't make that mistake. Before you create your content, make sure that you have already scheduled the way your title and your thumbnail is going to be. Okay, so that you have a good click. Remember, if your thumbnail and title is okay, people are going to click on your video and watch. But if your thumbnail and title are bad, you are not going to get any click. Do you understand? So your thumbnail is your billboard. Okay, that is the first thing that people will see and click. It is the first thing that people will see and also do what, click on your channel. Okay, and make your thumbnail to be unique and your title also to be unique on its own, so that people will just love it and click on it. Do you understand? So make sure your thumbnail and your title is okay if you are just starting to upload on your YouTube channel. Fifth lesson is consistency beat motivation. Okay, now you have to be consistent. No matter how busy you are in your daily activities, you have to be consistent. And the more consistent you become, the more YouTube will push your videos to your audience. Okay, but if you're not consistent, your video is going to remain stagnant. Okay, and remember, if you upload a video now, that video that you upload will help to push the other ones. Do you understand? But if you didn't upload it, remain on the other videos will remain stagnant. Okay, so that is important of consistency. And people will also know the time, will also trust you and know the time that you normally upload your video and stick to your channel and be watching. Okay, so it's very, very important to be consistent. No matter what, you have to be consistent. Whether you are perfect or not, keep on learning, keep on improving, and maintain consistency. Okay, maintain consistency is very, very important. Now my sixth lesson is community over virality. I was even busy uploading so that I will be able to get my viral video. No, first of all, build the audience. Do you understand? First of all, build the audience. You know, when you build that audience, one video is enough for one video to skyrocket your channel. Do you understand? But if you didn't build the audience and be chasing virality, I don't know how you are going to do it. Do you understand? So first of all, build the audience. Then make sure you have. And how are you going to build the audience? By number one, niching down. When you niche down, you keep on doing it and doing it and doing it. As you're doing it, you are gathering the community that will watch your video. Do you understand? So after building this community now, and that your community have already know that you based on this particular thing, now the algorithm will now push your video to a wider audience that will be able to engage on your videos. Do you understand? So first of all, build a community and not virality. Okay. Now another lesson that I learned is that your 10 or even 15 to 20 of your video is meant for practice. Okay, you know, you are, once you are new on YouTube, you didn't know anything on YouTube now. So as you keep on practicing uploading and creating your content, you'll be you'll be perfect. Do you understand? So now your 20 or your 10 video is just for learning, okay? It's mainly for learning because you don't know anything. You are a novice. You are completely a novice. You didn't know anything. Now what are you going to do? You have to calm down, okay? Whatever you see there, just calm down and be taking it gradually because it's your first time. You are just starting, okay? Now, your first 20 video is for practice. You have to calm down and learn because you are a novice. You don't know anything, okay? You have to use that period to learn your editing, how to edit your video, how to edit your thumbnail, how to script, how to upload, and how to do some other things, other important things you have to do in your channel. So those of your videos is meant for practice. They are the story you will tell when you blow up, okay? So those of your video, don't delete it, don't just leave it there. They are your humble beginnings, okay? So the last but not the least is that burnout is real, my dear brother and sister. Burnout is real on YouTube because when you are starting like this, you will not see views. Yes, it's certain because you are new. You will not see views, you will not see subscribers. You don't have to give up. Burnout is real, yes. Sometimes you feel mentally or physically drained. Yes. Just take a little break, then keep on pushing. Don't give up. If you feel this burnout, don't give up. Don't let it be the least that will come to your mind. Okay. Don't give up. Keep on pushing. It is normal. Okay. The only thing you have to do now is if you have time, just work, film. Do you understand? Record plenty video and keep. Then as time goes on, you'll be uploading it gradually, gradually, gradually. Okay. So for in terms of burnout, it is real, it is normal. Yes. Even some big YouTubers sometimes they feel that burnout, but there is nothing they can do. They keep on pushing and doing what they love to do. Okay. The only thing you have to do again is that you have to love what you are doing. Okay. Because if you didn't love what you are doing, you're not going to continue on YouTube. Okay. You have to have passion first. You have to have passion, then keep on doing it and applying new things that you learned. Okay. But for that burnout, it is real. If this have hit you home, please, I want to know at the comment section the part that touches you, okay? The part that you have felt when you just start your YouTube channel or when you start your YouTube channel, okay? So here are the 8 tips, the 8 lessons that I wish that somebody told me before I start my YouTube channel. Thanks so much. I'm going to stop here, and please, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, okay? If you haven't done so, and if you are serious about growing your YouTube channel, here is the way you're going to get how you're going to get your first 1000 subscriber faster on YouTube without wasting any time. Okay, so click this video and watch. Okay, thanks so much. I still remember Francisca. I love you all. Bye.